All right, family, this is Thanksgiving Eve, and I'm sitting in front of the camera because I'm not with my family this year, and it don't feel real good, but I know that this is the last Thanksgiving Eve that I'll be spending time sitting in front of the camera by myself because it was a choice this year. I could be with them in my brokenness, or I could sit here and try to work my way out of the scenario that I'm in. I'm not infatuated or in love with anything that has to do with Thanksgiving because I no longer eat all of the different products. I thank God for the ability to be thankful and know that this is a great season because of how they put Thanksgiving and Christmas together, make it such a festive thing around the world. But the sincerity of living and being in this situation that I'm in right now, I need to be making money, and that's why I'm on the camera. I need to be grateful that multiple myeloma cancer hasn't overtaken my life. And it has a lot to do with the hemp products because in 2016, I got out there and I really tried hard to find what I needed to begin my journey with Rick Simpson oil. I was introduced to a guy named Eddie Funkster who had an RSO that he was creating. He's really good at it. Uh, the products are extremely good, but the other part that comes with it is the expense of it all. And when you are so heavily tied into the medical system and structured lifestyle like I am, I got pension plans, I got medical, I was in the military, I got all of that. That's all structured care for me. But structured care sometimes ain't the best care. And that all depends on you and where you at in your journey. My knowledge set tells me run from anything got to do with cancer. You know, my dad, cancer. Grandma, cancer. You know, I'm not going to keep going on and on with all the people I know with this cancer thing. I can just say that I don't like anything to do with chemo. And getting information to give you a chance to have a better quality of life, if that's what you choose, is what I exercise my right to try to get out of all the pain and get out of all of the acidic condition that my body was in. I tried a lot of things, but hemp is a great, great alternative to what Western medicine is offering diabetic patients and cancer patients. I'm not going to tell none of y'all that it's going to heal you because I know it's so much more involved in the journey that I couldn't give any particular medication that kind of endorsement because of what I've learned. I will say that you do need whatever you can get to help you as a tool because the real deal is if you don't change what you eat and what you drinking, it don't matter what supplements you take. And I can go on and on with different things that I've done and tried and continue to do, because I finally started feeling better. But it was after many, many months, and I can even say a few years of consistent, very consistent changing your diet. Very consistent with getting in the gym. And then you will feel the difference. If you anything like me. I still have neuropathy, but it don't hurt me. I just know it's there, and I didn't expect it to go away overnight, because it didn't all happen overnight. I've been suffering with it since the 90s. So to still have it, but not have it overwhelming me. Some of you understand neuropathy and all of the gabapentin that you might have to take. And I ain't trying to say don't shade at the medical industry. They're giving you what they got. But the whole get down is gabapentin ain't going to get it, man. And you're going to keep getting more and more and more of them, and it ain't going to work. Because you got to do the other stuff. Your lymphatic system is calling on you to do the other stuff. Move them fluids around, good fluids. Spring water, good fluids, you know. All I can tell y'all is I'm on here because I do supplements. HEMPWORX is only one of them. I'm representing them today. This is going to be on my YouTube channel. It's going to be on my blog, because I'm endorsing what I'm doing, because it's helping me offset my finances. I couldn't afford to do HEMPWORX if I didn't jump in and try to market it. I can't afford to do Immunical if I don't jump in and market it. Because your pension, retirement, all of that is what it is because of how long you work and how much you saved. But when you pull down like me and try to do other ventures in life, you know, I had a real estate venture and different things happen, but I'm still here and I'm still productive. And right now I'm finna be the most productive that I've been my whole life, because I'm gonna share with y'all my journey on staying on earth. I'm 61, be 62 in May. And by May, I want to be in this company, HEMPWORX, one of their 50K affiliates. I can make that happen with consistency and effort. Just like I'm on this camera tonight, I'll be on here again tomorrow and the next day and the next day until I accomplish what I'm trying to accomplish, because my sponsor wants me to do something every day. Is it out of my comfort zone? Just a little bit. But for the most part, I'm up for the challenge, because the new skill set that I'm trying to have, he got, my sponsor. I'm going to always refer you to go and look at his comp plan and look at how he do stuff, because he's a guru. His name's Stephen Rachel, and he's a internet guru. I watch him all the time because I was wanting to learn. I watch him. I watch Chris Record. You know, I can go on. I'm not going to drop a lot of names, but, you know, Brandon Belcher and Stephen Rachel and Chris Record and Calicanai, Them cats is doing the damn thing. Let me not cuss, but they doing the doggone thing, man. And they're going to show me how to get it done because I'm going to keep studying them. I'm going to keep getting on here, making my mistakes until I get it right. And at the end of this journey, when I get on here and I start telling y'all how many I done created out of consistency, and I ain't going to be bragging, but I'm going to tell y'all right now, by May of 2020, I'm going to be doing very well in this company because I put together a strategy. I'm going to share that a little bit with y'all, my strategy. All right, this is what I'm going to do. 2020, right? 20 on the left, 20 on the right. In theory, that's pretty good for me. Because if I can nurture that 20 and make them do just what I'm doing right now, not make them, but convince them to do just what I'm doing right now, they're going to have 40. And when all 40 of them get their 40, I'm 1,600 strong with a root system that is equipped to tell they 40 people to do just what I'm doing. Encourage they individuals to just go get 40. And by the time you multiply that number, I'm not going to do it for y'all because it's somewhere around 6,400 or something like that, 6,000 people. And that's just with 2 sets of 40. 40 getting 40, 40 getting 40. You know what I'm saying? Turning into 16, turning into 6,400. Now you hit that 6,400 upside the head, and you at like 2.56 million. 2,560,000 in a matter of 40 getting 40 about 3 or 4 times. In my mind, I can make those 3 flips happen. Not me make it happen. Maybe I'm saying that wrong. But those flips can happen in a year. And according to my math and what I know about statistics, it ain't going to take much longer than a year and a half to be clocking about 1 million a month. I could be wrong, but that's a pretty good number to start with. 1 million. But the real deal is seeing that production for me and that 40 people to accomplish something together. And they accomplish something with their 40 together. That's the name of this thing, is how we help one another. I'm here. I'm going to build a great team. Just off the strength of caring and wanting to do better and getting together with people that want to do better. I'm going to get off the air. I enjoyed, the fact that I can get on here and kind of say what's going on inside of me. And it's like you, the viewers, are who I'm talking to, because this is what I'm going to do, is just keep staying in this journey, because my why is bigger than anything going on in the world for me right now. And I keep it simple. I want to live, and I want to be a good father. If I can keep doing what I'm doing consistently with my exercise and my nutrition and my consistency to get on this camera and make more money, I will make my father and my 23 and 24-year-old sons' journey a lot easier. So at the forefront of trying to have a great time personally, there's all this part about legacy. My kids, what am I doing to enhance their lives? It's a tough world, and my boys are really tender right now, being in their early 20s. I'm not able to impact their life like I want to right now. But give me a couple months, because like I said, it's my why. I want to go to Egypt, Dubai. I want to see Germany. I ain't been to Rome. But the bottom line is if I keep getting up and reaching and doing something, then it can happen. And that's all I'm trying to do right now, is keep reaching at something that can happen. I want everybody to enjoy their Thanksgiving. And if I could still eat turkey and dressing and a ham sandwich, which I love to death, because I would eat ham until the ham be gone. But I can't eat like that no more. And a part of me misses it until I try to eat it again, and it makes me very ill. You see, everybody that has to quit and change their diet always try to see if they can have that bacon and egg sandwich one more time, or see if they can eat that turkey and dressing one more time. But then you find out that the food is just a little too rich for what the stomach is allowing today. You know, I wish I could eat them cakes and pies, but I can't do that today. So I take full enjoyment with trying to keep my stomach feeling good and learning how to eat more meatless. I'm still tolerating a little chicken, not fried, but I can still tolerate it being broiled and, put into some spaghetti or something. But I'm sure that as time keeps going on in life, I will transition out of meat altogether based on what I'm learning about it. But that's on another page. Right now, I'm just trying to stay in front of the camera, show how transparent I can be in this journey, and hope that I can build an audience that will help me to get the numbers that I'm looking for to be great in this company. So with that being said, I'm going to say happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that your Christmas is just as blessed, but you're going to see me a lot more times before Christmas. And hopefully when I'm seeing you, I'll be able to say, oh, I got 2 to join today. Oh my God, I got 3 yesterday. That's what I'm looking forward to. So until I can do some videos like that, y'all keep praying for me or meditating for me, whatever y'all want to call it, but keep me at the forefront of what, just at your thoughts, check in on my page. I'm trying to put this blog together the right way so that I build the audience, I can keep the audience. So, season's greetings, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Talk to you soon.